But 132, The Messy Room Mystery. Meet Max, a happy and energetic 8-year-old who loved playing with his toys and reading books. But Max's room was a different story altogether. His toys were scattered all over the floor, his books were piled up in a messy heap, and his clothes were strewn all over the room. His parents often scolded him, saying he was lazy and didn't care about cleaning up after himself.
But one day, Max's teacher, Miss Thompson, came to visit his class. She was a very kind and understanding teacher, and she noticed that Max's messy room wasn't just a matter of laziness. She saw that Max was actually very interested in playing and learning, but he just didn't seem to care about cleaning up. Mrs. Thompson decided to talk to Max about his messy room. She asked him why he didn't clean up after himself, and Max explained that he just didn't think about it. He was too busy playing and having fun. Mrs. Thompson smiled and said, "I think I know what might be going on here, Max." She explained to Max that research had shown that people who don't clean their homes regularly aren't necessarily lazy. Sometimes it's just that their brains are wired to focus on other things, like playing or learning. And that's exactly what was happening with Max. His brain was so focused on playing and having fun that he just didn't think about cleaning up. Max felt a huge weight lift off his shoulders. He realized that he wasn't lazy and that it was okay to need a little help remembering to clean up. Mrs. Thompson suggested that Max make a routine of cleaning up every day, even if it was just for a few minutes. And with his parents' help, Max started to make his room a little bit tidier every day. As the days went by, Max's room started to look more and more organized. His toys were put away. His books were on the bookshelf, and his clothes were folded and put away in his closet. Max felt proud of himself, and his parents were proud of him too. Max learned that with a little bit of effort, he could keep his room tidy and still have plenty of time for play and learning.